What's up, guys? It's Alpha Blue here, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, guys. So guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the crypto bull run that is just around the corner. This is going to be a massive bull run like never before, that we've never seen in the crypto market. And yes, guys, we're anticipating this bull run in 2024. That's just like a month away from now. In fact, the crypto market right now, as I'm speaking to you, it's already going bullish. A lot of coins have started moving and started increasing in value because of the bull run that is anticipated next year. So guys, in case you don't know what a bull run is, a bull run is usually a period in the crypto market whereby every cryptocurrency increases in value. Every cryptocurrency increases in value by over 100%, 500%, 1000%, even as high as 10,000%. So what that means is, if you invest your money as little as $100 in a cryptocurrency, you have the potential of making as high as $500, $1,000, even $10,000 from that $100 investment. Yes, guys, that is what the bull run is. So the bull run is a period that every trader, every financial market investor should definitely check out and look into. If you're a forex trader like me here, this is the period that you should look into the crypto market and then keep some money, save some money aside that you can afford to do to invest in the crypto market, because during the bull run there's a lot of potential for you to make a lot of money. So guys, stick with me till the end of this video, because I'm going to show you my plan on how I intend to engage in this bull run, and I'm also going to show you 3 coins that I intend to invest. In fact, and I've already invested in 1 coin already, so I'm going to show you 3 coins that I intend to invest my money in during this bull run, and the third one is actually very interesting, and I will really want you to know what that coin is. So guys, in the crypto market there are actually 3 different types of coins. The first one is the Bitcoin itself, which is the main coin, and then we have altcoins. So altcoins are every other coin apart from Bitcoin. The major one is Ethereum. Then we also have meme coins. Meme coins are also categorized as altcoins, and those ones are coins that don't really have a serious use case, but they are like, there's a lot of hype behind them, and they actually do a lot of percentages in terms of their return on investment. So you need to understand the risks involved in different categories of coins, or the risks involved in any coin you're interested in investing your money in. So for this bull run, my 3 coins that I'm actually looking at, and mind you guys, this bull run is actually real. There are a lot of factors that have made a lot of participants in this market anticipate the bull run by next year. The one and major factor or reason is the Bitcoin halving. Usually, all the times that there was Bitcoin halving, it was accompanied by a bull run. So history already makes it very obvious that next year, which is 2024, and there's going to be a Bitcoin halving next year. So it's very obvious that we are going to see that bull run, because all the times that there was Bitcoin halving, we had a bull run to accompany it. So whenever there's a Bitcoin halving, you should expect a bull run. And aside from that, we have stuff like Bitcoin ETF that has been making the rounds, and other like big participants in the Bitcoin market talking about BTC. And usually when people start talking about BTC, just know that the bull run is near. And when, like someone says, when your grandma starts asking about Bitcoin, just know that the bull run is there. So this is the period that you see a lot of people beginning to talk about Bitcoin, beginning to like say a lot of positive things about Bitcoin. So definitely you should know that the Bitcoin is just around the corner, and some coins have already started moving. In fact, some coins have done as high as 100%, 200% already as I speak with you right now. So my 3 coins that I plan to engage in doing this Bitcoin is the first one is Bitcoin itself. So I have been involved in the past like 2 bull runs, and I know how the market behaves. I know the hype and the craze that it's involved in the market during this period, and I will tell you for a fact that the number 1 coin that is always very stable is the Bitcoin itself. You hardly will lose your money in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has been there for the longest of time, and it has stood a lot of tests, and you definitely, and it's the one that like drives the market. When Bitcoin is going up, increasing in value, it carries every other coin alongside with it. So if you want to invest your money in a very safe cryptocurrency that you know the money will not just disappear, the first 2 is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that's my first 2 coins that I will recommend, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even though the only problem with this is that it will not give you like the best return on investment. You can get to have like a a 5x, 5 to 10x, which is very, very cool, because how many investments will give you like 500% return on your investment within a period of 6 months to 1 year? You get? So if you want a very safe cryptocurrency that you will sleep peacefully and you will not really get worried of it disappearing tomorrow, I'll recommend this first to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So currently Bitcoin is around $44,000 per coin, and there are a lot of people that have predicted it to go as high as $500,000 in this bull run. But I personally, I don't think it's going to get to that point. I feel that's like too much. But if Bitcoin gets to as high as just $200,000 per coin, you're going to make at least 5x return on your investment. So let's assume you put $100 on Bitcoin right now. In the next 6 months to 1 year, Bitcoin gets to $200,000 per coin. You're going to make 500% return on your investment. So it means that your $100 is going to turn to $500, of which is very cool. $100 to $500 is cool. It's still good return on your investment, right? So you don't easily get to see that in any other financial market, right? So the same thing for Ethereum. Ethereum currently is around like $2,300 per Ethereum. So, and the all-time high was around $5,000. So if Ethereum goes back to its all-time high right now, it's gonna be around 2x or a little bit more. So, and Ethereum is also going to do around that kind of 5x to 10x return on your investment, which is also very, very cool. And these are like the two safest coins or cryptocurrencies you can actually invest your money in and sleep fine without fear that your money is going to disappear, because these coins have been there for a very long period of time. They've stood the test of time. Ethereum during the bear season didn't really like go down that much. It was just holding still, ranging around $800 to $1,000 plus, right? So Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two like safest cryptocurrencies you can actually engage in during the bull run. So let's say you have a lot of money and you're just looking at like some decent return on investment, you can actually invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then you get to have that 5x to probably 10x return on your investment, which is very, very fine. It's very cool. And take this as just like, let's say, well, how will I put it? This is not a financial advice. It's only money you can afford to lose, right? Don't go put in money, borrow money, and put in there, because anything can happen at any day, right? So, guys, the third coin I'm gonna invest my money in, of which this is my favorite coin, is Dogecoin. If you've been trading cryptocurrencies for a while now, you definitely know Dogecoin. Dogecoin is actually a meme coin, but this coin is not just any ordinary meme coin. This is a meme coin that has actually been there for a very long time. This is a meme coin that has withstood the past 2 bear seasons and is still among the top cryptocurrencies right now in the world. So Dogecoin is also like influenced by the world's richest man, who is Elon Musk. And because of his influence on Dogecoin has actually been doing very, very well. If you were in the crypto market during the last bull run, you will definitely know how Dogecoin was just skyrocketing because of Elon Musk's tweet. So the guy will just go on Twitter and tweet about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is doing as much as 100% to 200, 300% in a day. So guys, this bull run, I definitely don't want to miss out on Dogecoin, and I believe that I'm like early in the market. I'm early into Dogecoin right now because I have bought Dogecoin just today and I'm still planning to buy more. And right now, if Dogecoin goes back to its all-time high, that will be around 7x right now. If it goes back to its all-time high, it's going to be around 7x. So I definitely will not want to miss out on the action of Dogecoin in the coming bull run, because I know that when the bull run starts, when everything starts going haywire, definitely we're going to see more hype, we're going to see more influence on Dogecoin from Elon Musk himself, and then it's still going to skyrocket. And this coin has been there for a long while, so I'll definitely will invest my money in Dogecoin. I don't want to miss out on the action. So guys, before I end this video, let me quickly show you the Dogecoin chart so you see what I'm looking at, and I'm going to show you where my price targets are, because I have a target where if price gets to, I'm just going to take my profit from the market and then I call it quit. So let me just quickly show us the Dogecoin chart before we end this video. Okay guys, so here we are on the Dogecoin chart. So this is Dogecoin against USD on the daily time frame. So as you can see, During the last bull run, Dogecoin went to as high as $0.74, right? So I've already marked out the all-time high right about here, 80H, right? And then we had this long bear season. So it peaked out during let's see, this was May of 2021. That was when it made its all-time high, May 2021. So all through the end of 2021, 2022, we had this very long bear season. So right now, if you look at the chart, you see that Dogecoin has broken out of this trend line, and then it has started shooting up to the upside. So right now, Dogecoin is currently at 0.10. That's the price of Dogecoin. So if it gets to 0.74, you know that that's already 7x on your investment. And believe me, guys, this is, if you look at most of the coin, you see this very similar thing, break of the trend line, and price is already pushing to the upside massively. So my target is around this $2 mark. I believe that $2 is not too far away from the all-time high, and we're likely going to see that happen. So usually whenever price breaks out and starts pushing up during the bull run, you get to see price take out the all-time high, then we'll bounce back a bit, and then it continues to push up. So I'm not going to take my profit just at the all-time high. I'm going to leave it some room, because I believe that this coin is going to go past the 0.7 mark. So my main take profit is going to be around the $2 mark, but it's very possible for you to see Dogecoin even come all the way as high to $10 per Dogecoin. It's very possible. It's all about how far or how long the bull run lasts, and how much influence or hype is around this coin. So that's what I'm looking at on Dogecoin. I've already bought today. I bought $54 worth of Dogecoin right around here, around the 0.10 price mark. I've already marked my entry here, so we're just going to wait and see. How it does. So I actually plan to invest more than just $54. I want to invest at least $200 on Dogecoin. If Dogecoin gets to this price range and I use $200 to buy it, I'm going to make as much as $3,000 return on that investment. And I believe if we get the bull run, if the bull run happens, and there's a lot of influence and hype behind Dogecoin, as it has always happened, then we're definitely going to see Dogecoin surge to this $2 range. Is the possibility. So guys, this is just like a wake-up call to all the crypto enthusiasts around the world. This is the time that you begin to look at crypto market again, because if you don't start looking at this market, you're going to miss out on a lot of gains. You're going to miss out on money that you could have made, guys. So just take out money you can afford to risk or lose, and then invest in it. So this is my major cryptocurrency here that I'm looking at during this bull run. I'm not really going to be dividing my attention here and there. I'm just going to focus on this one, and also invest some money in Bitcoin and Ethereum as backup, because you never can tell. There's no 100% guarantee, guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you found value in this. I'll be giving you guys updates as time goes on how this coin is progressing. So as for today, that's it, guys. And if you found value in this content, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because more is coming your way. So cheers, guys, and see you in the next one.